What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Cheaper here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about this lovely water wave hair that was sent to me by Tinashe Hair, so shouts out to them. So this is the 22-inch water wave unit from them, 13x4 lace frontal, the brown lace, and it is 180% density. I typically don't go for 180% density. Actually, I do sometimes. I like it, but usually not with curly hair. Usually my main go-to is 150% density. But with this one, I like the 180 because water wave is such a light, wavy, curly kind of hair. Now, initially out the package, it did have a little bit of a hair smell to it, so watch out for that. You know, a little product, once it's, you know, out in the air and everything, the smell does kind of go away, but that is something you want to watch for. I did note that. One thing I really do love about the unit's construction on here is the elastic band that is optional. It has two like hooks in here to where you can take their optional elastic band that they do send you in the package and you can hook it on there to make this glueless if you want to. It does come slightly pre-plucked, but I would recommend if you want that, you know, celebrity stylist looking hairline like I always strive for, go ahead and pluck at it a little bit yourself just to give it those final finishing touches. And it does come with baby hair already, you know, sectioned out for you. I pushed mine back. As you can see, I'm going for it in no baby hair look this time. But it is there for you if you want baby hair. So I'm going to get into showing y'all how I styled and installed this unit, and then I'll come back and give y'all the rest of my thoughts on this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And stay tuned to the end of the video because you might have got the comment shout out.
Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy there, so. Get me to the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, strip, me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy call me number one. When me tune drop, the girls they bounce along. Me don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in and the place, me on that take. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me come clean like me coming on me video. Me come through like a soldier. She give me tea and she pleasing my rosa. She got the keys to my Porsche on my Rover. We in Miami living la vida loca. Yeah, yeah, you got that teen I know. You got the body I know. You make me sing I know. You make me sing I know. Yeah, you got that teen I know. You got the body I know. You make me sing I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. To mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind. Change my life. I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do without you, my Charlie?
These knots did not come pre-bleached, and I actually didn't have enough powder. And you know, with the Rona out, I really wasn't trying to go out unnecessarily. So I didn't have enough powder to bleach the frontal. Only got enough for like maybe 2 closures at the moment. But what I did use was some foundation powder, like the same one I always use in my part, which is here. And I dusted the whole unit with that to kind of cover the knots. And I also put it in my part at the end to make it more prominent. The frontal on this unit is very, very full. As you can see here, the part on this unit is very narrow. You can plug it if you want to widen it up, but I didn't, just because, you know, with frontals, they, you know, they shed over time. They will lose hair and you have to replace them. So I was like, let me just keep as much hair as possible on the wig. So that's why I didn't go ahead and do that. It'll last longer if you leave more hair in it. Although this unit can be used as glueless, I did tack mine down with freeze spray because, you know, a couple videos ago I ran out of freeze spray and I re-upped on that. So had to go back because I just love it so much. And like I said in the beginning of this video, this is brown lace. You know, sometimes it's transparent, sometimes it's brown. This is brown lace. There is a difference, and I'm gonna let y'all know right quick in case you don't know. Brown lace works really well on brown, darker skin tones. Transparent lace works very well if you have a super light skin tone. I know my ring light be washing me out, but I'm a brown skin girl. It works better for me. I can make transparent work, but it's a little bit harder, so that's why you see me use less product with units like this. With the transparent units, I have to go in with a lot more to blend it in. It can be done, but it's a lot more work, but it doesn't mean that it's, you know, a bad unit. It just means that it's not for me exactly. But I did want to clear that up because I know a lot of times people can mix up HD lace and transparent lace, and they're not the same thing. You can get a brown HD lace. One thing I did note while styling this unit was that it did have a substantial amount of flyaways. I was able to lay them down. You know, I used my wax stick, and I also used some heat to lay it back down, and it worked pretty well. Ultimately, actually, what really worked for me was the water. The water really flattened the flyaways back down, and you know, just made it work. I really love the style of this unit. Like, it is so cute. I was planning on doing the wet look, but what had happened was I thought like the natural wave that it just is dry is really cute. So after just, you know, setting my part and laying down the hair up top, I liked how this was set, so I didn't really do much to it at all, to be quite honest. I would say this is great vacation here, but you know, we can't go nowhere right now. But you can be cute walking to the living room. I went back and forth about whether or not I wanted to do baby hair on this unit, and I was like, you know, I've been adding slight baby hair on a few units, so I'm gonna go back to my no baby hair look for this one, and I'm happy with it. I had originally added some and took them off on camera because I just didn't. I was like, no, I don't need no baby hair. I wasn't moved to add baby hair, and I was trying to go against that. Now, this is my second wig from Tinashe. They sent me a kinky straight unit a while back, a couple months ago. I'll link that video if y'all want to see it because I love that wig. And basically, like, that wig, I wear it often. I've worn it to the gym. I've worn it out, other things. And that wig is holding up. I still use it. I still wear it. So Tinashe is a good brand for some long-lasting hair. You know, this reminds me, there really was a point last year where brands were sending me literally nothing but water wave units. Let me go ahead and show y'all what the back of this is looking like. Comment shout out in this video goes to an A1 supporter. Love yourself. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and pretty much anything that I post on here on YouTube, it does not go unnoticed. I see you. Shout out to Tinashe Hair once again for sending me this gorgeous water wave unit, 22 inches. I don't even remember if I mentioned that or not, but it's 22 inches, and I'm in love with this hair right now, honestly. You want to pick it up, it'll be linked down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.